How to change display name in Reddit. If you have been using the Reddit application and wondering on how to change the display name on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Reddit application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to change the display name, tap onto your profile icon at the top, just right here. Tap on it. Then here you can find your profile, just right here. Select it. Then here you can find edit, just right here. Now tap on it. Then here you can find display name, just right here. Now to change it, simply tap on it. And if you have added the old one, simply remove that one and add a new name just like this. And tap on to save. Tap on it. And that's it. This is how you can change display name in the Reddit. And now you can see it has been changed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.